Their company in history has lost as much money as Nvidia has over the past 24 hours, losing as much as $300 billion in market cap if you include the after-hour sell-off on those DOJ antitrust subpoenas. Recovering a bit today, as you mentioned, after the market turned around a bit on the weakest job openings in 3 years. But you know, Nvidia has dragged on all other global chip stocks. And it's not only AI growth concerns, but then you have valuations concerns. You throw in the Bloomberg report that the DOJ has now subpoenaed Nvidia in an antitrust investigation over its dominance when it comes to AI chips. Now, Nvidia is down around 16% in 4 sessions if you include this morning's earlier losses. Also remember that the recent trading pattern that we've seen over the summertime when Nvidia was down over 20%, a bear market from June to August. In fact, it traded below $100 a share during that August global growth scare. Now that's the magic level right now, sub 100 for Wall Street, where you could actually see some sizable buying. Now Wall Street still remains bullish on Nvidia. Analyst calls are still predicting Nvidia to rally to the 144 level on average, 144, and some going up as high as 165. So that's still 50% upside if Wall Street analysts are correct. But then Nvidia's runaway valuation has a lot of proving to do. So here's the number crunching that I did for you. And, you know, from what I see, Nvidia still only makes a third of the profit that Apple and Microsoft makes over 1 year. Yet, Nvidia is worth almost as much. And yes, they make twice as much in margins, but you know, investors are still starting to question the rich pricing on Nvidia with 2 critical investment notes yesterday from JP Morgan and BlackRock that started off the sell-off. Now, the record-breaking Nvidia sell-off, as you mentioned, $300 billion in lost market cap. That also hurt the pocket of billionaire founder and CEO Jensen Huang. He's still the world's 18th richest, lost about $1 billion. $10 billion in net worth yesterday. Now, last week, he was close to breaking the top 10. A year ago, he was almost outside the top 100. But I'll tell you this, David, that there's not a whole lot of catalyst for the stock until the next earnings report. But remember that September is typically the worst month of the year for stocks and stock markets, and they usually end higher from now until year end. But as you know, we do have an election year in progress.
Oh,
here.
yes, I heard about that.